Hello everyone, William with Alliance Concrete Pumps. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to talk about the 100-hour service and the 100-hour interval for maintenance. We have two sheets here. This sheet can be found on our website. It's the maintenance interval sheet, so it goes through 100-hour, 250-hour, 500-hour, 1,000-hour. So we also have a document called the 100-hour inspection. It can be found in your parts book. This inspection called 100 hours can also be called a monthly inspection. So today we're going to focus on the initial 100 hours. So that's from your hour meter here. There's a hour meter that counts pumping hours. That we're going to do at 100 hours. So at the initial 100 hours, there's four main points that we like to focus on. There's two filters that come with your pump. For a boom pump, there's a boom pressure filter. This filter goes on the other side of the unit for your boom pressures, and then this is your suction filter. So this is for your accumulator pump. We want to change these two filters at 100 hours. Another thing to change is your PTO oil. So your PTO oil will take 80 W90 gear oil. On larger pumps, you'll use, on your reduction gear, we're going to change that oil. That's a SAE 150 or 150 weight gear oil. So those are the four main points that we hit. The other points that we will cover is greasing your outrigger rollers, lubricating your outrigger chains, checking the chain tension, and how much the outriggers actually droop when they extend, the front outriggers. Follow through with this on these next few tech tips. We're going to be reviewing everything related to the monthly or 100-hour checklist that can be found in your book. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call.